Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno11 F, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive, so we cannot manually change the date and the time zone. It is because we are using all automatic options. So let's start with turning off both of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change the date to another one. Let's change the time also, and the same situation, just by swiping set different time. Let me just maybe 2 o'clock or almost 3. It should be immediately applied to the status bar. We can also change the time zone, just tap on it, and here will be transferred to the full list of available time zones. So simply find yours and tap on it like this one, and it will be immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the dual clock option, which means that basically the whole idea of this feature is that your device will display 2 different clocks. The first one with the clock you've currently set, so the place you're currently in, and the second clock you can choose any other place in the world. You can search for a city, and then you will set this time. Your device will display 2 different clocks, so it's up to you. Of course, you can also change the when or where the dual clock will be displayed. Up to you totally. You can also change the time format. As you can see, we've got either 24-hour one or 12-hour one. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. So this is basically the whole customization of this feature, of this section. And of course, if you want to, you can go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.